In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Webflow. To do that, first head right here into your HubSpot and into the settings itself. You can head over to your integration. So click onto the settings, which is this gear icon. Once you're in there, expand right here the integrations option and then click onto the connected apps. You can see right here all of the integrated applications. So if Webflow is not on this list, you can head over and go to your app marketplace and have it installed from there. Click onto the search bar right here and then proceed to search right here for the Webflow. You can see right here their name and click onto this install option. You should be able to see right here your actual Webflow. So proceed to click onto this login to install. So head over and log in to install, and once you're done, you can just head over and log into your Webflow in order to actually connect HubSpot to this account. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.